Hello children, we are going to start with new chapter 13, Congruence of Triangles. So write the answers to the following questions referring to the given figure. Here in triangle DEF, it is given on textbook page number 81. Which is the angle opposite to the side DE? D is this side, angle opposite to this will be angle F. So angle F is the angle opposite to side DE. Which angle is included by the side DE and DF? DE and DF. Angle EDF or simply angle D is included by the side ED and DF. Which side is included by angle E and angle F? Angle E and angle F, which side is included? Side EF is included by angle E and angle F. State the angles adjacent to the sides DE. Adjacent to the side DE. Angle DEF or simply angle E and angle EDF or simply angle D. So angle E and D are the angles adjacent to side DE. Then we will move to textbook page number 82. Here the figures are given by the identical marks, congruent marks. For example, S and X are congruent, angle U and angle Y are congruent, angle T and angle Z are congruent. From the figure we have to write one-to-one correspondence. So S corresponds to X, T corresponds to, T is given by arc, corresponds to Z, U corresponds to Y. So like that we can write, and in the sequence we can write S, T, U corresponds to X, Z, Y. Now I am showing you first only here S, T, U, circle, arc, X. So X, Z, Y, circle, arc, X. Like this you can find it is 6 types there. You can verify the other. Therefore, two triangles are congruent by whatever you have taken. For example, STU you have taken, here it will be two triangles will be congruent to this. SUT congruent corresponds to XYZ, therefore triangle SUT congruent to XYZ. As they are correspondence, they are congruent to each other. Now in the same figure, if triangle XYZ congruent to STU, then angle Y congruent to angle T, angle Y congruent to angle T. Is it possible here? No. As two triangles are congruent, angle Y congruent to angle T, angle Z congruent to angle U, which is not possible. But all the above statements are wrong. Therefore, the statement two triangles, that is XYZ congruent to triangle STU, is wrong. Next, on textbook page number 83 and 84, here are the congruency tests given there. So, you can draw the figures as given. With the help of trace paper also you can do congruent figures, and then you can place it and see that whether they overlap each other, one-to-one correspondence. So here A, B, C, from A to B double line is there, B to C triple line is there. Similarly L, M, N, L to M double line is there, M to N triple line is there. So that is A corresponds to L, B to M and C to N. Therefore, these two triangles ABC congruent to LMN. Now, congruency. Test of congruency is given here. The angle is included here between the two adjacent sides. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by S, A, S, S, A, S test. Very clear? Next figure is given that all sides are congruent. You can trace out on the paper and see that they overlap each other. So here PQR, P to Q single line and then Q to R V shape. So here X to Y single line and Y to Z V shape. Therefore, correspondence will be PQR corresponds to XYZ. And we notice that these two triangles are congruent. So as all sides are equal, therefore we say these two triangles are congruent by SSS test. Next figure. Two angles are congruent and included side is congruent in between. So here we notice that these two triangles are congruent by ASA test. ASA test. So the one-to-one correspond X corresponds to D, Y to E, and Z to F. Very clear? Next. Here two right angle triangles you have to draw. You know the side opposite to 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. So for triangle ABC, AC is the hypotenuse, and for triangle LMN, LN is the hypotenuse. These two sides are congruent. And in right angle triangle, if hypotenuse sides are congruent and one of their adjacent side is congruent, like this, AB congruent to LM or BC congruent to MN or anyway, then we say that these two triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test. So you can verify yourself the answer. In the next video, we are starting with the exercise. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.